a funny thing. It changes yet it stays the same.
My love, baby. Noong unang araw na nagkita tayo, hindi talaga natin alam na tayo pala ang itinadhana. It wasn't the perfect timing, but God's timing is always perfect. Pinagtagpo niya ulit tayo sa tamang panahon.
I'll keep falling in love with you.
Kaya kung may isang bagay na sana'y di mo makakalimutan, ito yon. I am yours for a lifetime, through every season, in every chapter, in every breath we're given. I will love you and I will stay. Para sa babaeng pangarap ko, hindi lang ngayon kundi habang buhay. Excited na ako mamaya at hanapin ang future kasama ka. I love you so much forever and always, Ryan.
To the end of time, I'll keep falling in love with you. I'll keep falling in love, keep falling in love, keep falling, I'll keep falling in love. I'll keep falling in love, keep falling in love, I'm falling in love.
And now, standing here with you today, I feel like I'm the luckiest person alive. Because somehow in this wild, unpredictable world, you found me when no one else was looking. And of course, I wanna quote Taylor Swift's song, because I was Swiftie. I once believed love would be burning red, but it's golden, like daylight. And you, Ryan Joseph, the one, you are my daylight.
Ate, congrats! Kapatid ka na!
Kapag pakiramdam mo paubos ng lakas mo, I will keep choosing you again and again in every ordinary moment, and every storm we'll face together. Sabi nga sa kantang Ben and Ben, kagaya din na sinabi mo kanina, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw.
You meet me on the mountain top. You see me in the valley low.
Makabait ka, kagaya mo kay papa mo, na hanggang ngayon kahit ganito na kami, still, nandyan pa rin, mafe-feel ko pa rin ang love niya. Kaya ganun ka rin sa asawa mo. Okay? Okay. Love you, anak ko.
Pinakita mo kung gaano mo kamahal si mama. Kaya ikaw talaga yung role model. Ayun, maraming salamat.
And this will be my song. You were always good. And when days through.
Pag dumating kayo sa punto na nag-iisip na Lord, give up na kaya ako? I like you to remember May 4, 3 p.m. Never forget that. Because today, you are surrendering yourself to the love of the Lord by loving each other.
When life gets heavy, I promise to be your peace, your home, your safe place. I promise to never stop choosing you, to believe in us, even on the days that feels impossible. You are my heart's softest place, my greatest adventure, my forever, and no matter how many chapters our story holds, I'll never stop writing it with you.
You are always good when the day is through. I am left with you. Are always you. Are always every melody you're singing back to me. You're singing back. Every melody you're singing back to me. You're singing back. Every melody you're singing back to me. You're singing back. Every melody you're singing back to me. You're singing back.
Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa sarili kong buhay. Simula ngayon at bawat bukas, ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin. Mahal na mahal kita, that words cannot be described.
In this way